The world has a population of about 7 billion. 840 million suffer from chronic hunger. That's about 1 in 8 people. 98% of the hungry live in developing countries. Not enough resources to feed the world? Wrong. It's just that not all have access to food. Ironically, those most vulnerable to hunger are directly involved in food production. 1/2 of the hungry belong to small farming communities. Hunger persists because of conflict and war, natural disasters, climate change, and poverty. But hunger actually starts in the womb. Every year, 17 million children are born underweight. Ideally, a minimum of 1,800 kilocalories a day should be consumed to be healthy. Yet many people go through days, weeks, and months living on much less. Undernourishment is the lack of enough energy and nutrients. It is a less visible form of hunger that affects mothers, children, urban and rural poor. Hunger continues to be a serious problem. 3.1 million children die of malnutrition each year. That's almost 45% of all deaths in children under 5 years old. But hunger can be stopped. You can do something about it. You just need to know how. Engage and help. Spark change. Stop hunger.